so quickly here, we're gonna do a head cleaning on the 1202 model. This is a 12-inch. We're gonna come up here with the printer on, and we're gonna use the left arrow. And as soon as she releases, we're gonna move the head over to the left area, exposing the capping station and also allowing us to get under there and do a little cleaning, okay? So this is not the cleaning that we're gonna do utilizing this button here, which is on the main menu, or sending the cleaning from the computer. This one is actually more of a wiping down on the surface here of the capping station, as well as wiping down the squeegee, and also coming under the head to do a cleaning. So very quickly, I'm gonna start using here my kit of things, my actual little swab, the cleaning solution, and then the cloth. So what we wanna do is we wanna kinda come in around the area of the capping station and get rid of anything that should be there, any residual that's there. And once we do that, we're done with this. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna grab a little piece of cloth, and we're gonna go ahead and get another swab. Now we're under the head here, and we see a little bit of buildup underneath of that area, right? We don't want to clean, we don't want to rub the head itself. We want to rub around the head, right? So we want to come in from there. We want to come in here. See that? That's what we're trying to get. We're trying to get to that. Trying to get to that. That's kind of what we want to get rid of right there. That's the buildup that we have. Real careful. We want to not rub the head. So what we want to do is we want to come in on the border. See that? That's kind of what we want to get, which is really on the side of the print head. Remember that every time the machine does a cleaning that you send to get done, every time you do that, you're gonna push the ink over to that side. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to get to the side of the print head. And then once you get that done, we should move it back to its original position.